So this is the setup I used, just my light and a basic silver reflector that I got from Amazon. My light is the Hensel Certo 400 and I'm using my Nikon D750 with a Sigma 105mm lens. This is the mood board for our shoot. And I like to have the mood board directly on set with me, so I know what I had planned. And then after I did very minimal makeup, I already got into shooting. Ines, I will put her name on the screen, is my beautiful model for today. At the beginning of the shoot, I always make sure that the light is absolutely perfect. I take a few test shots, I don't let anything stress me out in that process, and I explain to the model that she doesn't really have to do anything at this point, but once the light is perfect, then I kind of explain what will be visible in the photo, like how much of her shoulders or if it's just her face. And yeah, I just make sure that I explain everything so that the model knows what's going on. And then I also like to show the model the photos just so that she knows, again, what's visible. Communicating to your model is one of the most important things when you're shooting, just because obviously the model is pretty much half of what the photo is. So you need to make sure that the model knows what's going on. If I'm taking close-up shots, I make sure to adjust the light a little bit, make sure that it's centered. If the model is turned to one side, I will also adjust the light a little bit. It's just a lot of adjusting. And yeah, also this was a skincare shoot obviously, so we used different skincare products and took portraits and close-ups and all of those things. I really enjoyed working with Ines, it was really fun. The photos turned out amazing, I really liked them. This was actually one of my favorite looks. It was this foamy cleanser type of thing, and it just gave the photo a really cool texture with small bubbles. And yeah, this was just one of my favorite shots. I really like texture in photos, especially in close-ups, so that's why I love this one so much. So we also did some photos in motion while using the product, so basically cleansing the skin to make them look a little bit more real. And I also really liked how these photos turned out. And then as the last look, we did this kind of ghostly looking sheet mask. I only photographed a close-up with this product because a full face would look kind of ghostly and we didn't want that look. So I just focused on the side of her face, tried to get her eye in and make that look nice, and just again show off the texture of the product. And yeah, for the 5th time, I really like how these photos turned out. And I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future uploads. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!